Hello everyone and welcome to DelftStack. If your Windows 11 computer is failing to connect to devices and displaying a Bluetooth radio status error, it usually indicates stalled system services or corrupted drivers. I will show you exactly how to reset these components and fix your wireless connection right now. Let's get started. First, restarting the underlying system service that manages wireless connectivity frequently resolves immediate radio communication errors. Press the Windows key plus R, type services.msc, and press Enter to open the Windows Services application. Scroll down to locate the Bluetooth Support Service, right-click the entry, and select Properties. Set the Startup Type dropdown to Automatic. Click the Start button, and then click Apply. Next, underlying corruption in your core operating system files can actively prevent the Bluetooth radio from properly initializing. Open your Start menu, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Type SFC //scan now and press Enter to allow the System File Checker to verify and repair protected files. Once finished, type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health and press Enter to thoroughly restore your system image. Finally, if the radio status is still failing, your specific wireless hardware driver may be completely corrupted or conflicting. Right-click your Windows Start button and select Device Manager from the Power User menu. Expand the Bluetooth category, right-click your primary Bluetooth adapter, and select Uninstall Device. Restart your computer completely so Windows can automatically detect the hardware and reinstall a fresh, working driver. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.